Hey everyone! Did you know you can grow spring onions over and over again from just the leftovers? Yep, the ones you usually toss in the bin can keep giving you fresh green onions for months. Today, I'll show you how to grow spring onions at home, even if you don't have a garden or any plant experience. It's super easy, super cheap, and honestly kind of fun. Alright, let's jump right in. 1. Save the white roots. Next time you use spring onions for cooking, don't throw away the white ends. Leave about 2 inches from the root part. That's the bit we need. Even if they look a little sad, they're probably still alive. And trust me, they grow back fast. 2. Place them in a glass of water. Take a small glass or jar and fill it with just enough water to cover the roots, about an inch. Stand the onions up, root side down. That's it. Put the glass near a sunny window. Kitchen windowsills are perfect. 3. Watch them grow fast. In just 1 to 2 days, you'll start to see new green shoots popping up. By day 5 or 6, they'll be a few inches tall again. It's like plant magic. Change the water every couple of days to keep things fresh. If the water smells funky or gets cloudy, that's your cue. 4. Move them to soil. You can keep growing them in water for a couple of weeks. But if you want stronger, longer-lasting onions, move them to a pot or garden bed. Use regular potting mix, make a small hole, pop the root in, and cover it gently. Keep the soil moist, not soggy. They'll grow back again and again. 5. Harvest and repeat. Once the green tops reach 6 to 8 inches, go ahead and snip what you need. Just cut an inch above the white base. That way, they'll regrow without any issues. And yes, you can do this cycle multiple times from the same plant. Here are a few quick tips to get even better results. Sunlight is key. Spring onions love at least 4 to 6 hours of light daily. Fertilizer helps. If you're growing in soil, a light liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks gives them a boost. Indoor growing? No problem. They do great in containers on balconies or windowsills. And here's a fun fact. Spring onions and green onions? They're the same thing. Different names, same tasty veggie. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more simple home gardening tips. And hey, leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tried this or if you've got any fun onion growing hacks of your own. Thanks for watching and happy planting.